So this is the YESPER X1 jump starter. It's a powerful peak current 2000A. It starts all 12-volt vehicles, 8-liter gas, 6-liter diesel engines. And it even has a boost function, which I think is really handy. This will completely start a dead battery, a totally dead battery. Hit the boost, you're good to go. The battery capacity is 44.4 watt hours. Input is USB-A, output is USB-A. Working temperature is -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has a carrying case. It'll start a passenger car, motorcycle, watercraft, tractor, trailer, ATV, even a UTV and a snowmobile. There's upgraded heat dissipation from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it safe and protects your vehicle. It's really easy to turn off. You can either hold down the button or it'll automatically turn off on its own. It takes 3.5 hours to fully charge. It can start a car over 30 times in a row. I'm going to show you how to jump start your car with the YESPER X1. It's super easy. So all we do is take this and then pop this in. Super simple. And now all we do, red to red, black to black. And if you've done it right, that green light will show up correct. So that's how you know you're set to go. Now, all we do is get in the car, turn it on. There we go. That's all there is to it. Another thing I think is neat is that it's got a built-in flashlight, which can be useful so many times. If you're out on the road and you're in some kind of emergency and it's dark, you have to have some kind of light. So this is great. And then also for safety, it's got a couple of different strobes. So that's really helpful. And then also it's a power bank. Just super handy to have on hand. You know, you can charge up your phone multiple times with this. Such a helpful feature. So that's the YESPER X1 jump starter. We've got purchase links in the description below, as well as an exclusive discount code for you.